how to create a YouTube auto-subscribe link. This tutorial shows you how to generate a clickable link that takes viewers directly to your channel subscription prompt on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on the You tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on your channel name at the top to open your channel page. At this point, tap on the pencil or edit icon next to the Manage Videos button. In the next step, scroll down until you see your channel URL with a copy button beside it. Following this, tap on Copy to copy your channel URL to your clipboard. Once done, open any Notes app on your device and paste the URL. From here, at the very end of your channel URL, add the following text: $sub_confirmation equals 1. At this stage, your full auto-subscribe link should now look something like youtube.com/yourchannel?sub_confirmation equals 1. After this, copy the full updated link and paste it anywhere you want, your video descriptions, channel page, or any social media platform. Finally, whenever someone taps on the link, they'll be taken directly to your channel and prompted to confirm their subscription in just one tap. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you create your auto-subscribe link, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.